Hey everyone, and welcome to Discovering Life with Kevin. Now, if you've been following this channel for a while, you've probably noticed a few changes: new name, new profile picture, new banner, and a completely new direction. First of all, thank you for being here. Whether you've been following me for the last couple of years here on YouTube with Discovering NL with Kevin, or whether this is your very first video you've ever watched, I genuinely appreciate you taking a few minutes of your day to spend it here with me. Now, if something I say today resonates with you, I want you to do me a favor. I want you to leave me a comment down below. One of the biggest reasons I wanted to start this new chapter is because I don't want this channel to be me talking to you or at you. I want it to be a conversation. Whether you're a man watching or a woman watching, I'd love to hear your perspective, your experiences, and even your disagreements. As long as we're respectful, I think this is how we all learn. So, why the rebrand? Honestly, because my life has changed. Over the last year, I've gone through experiences that I never really imagined I'd be going through. And somewhere along the way, I realized something. The old channel didn't really represent the person sitting in front of the camera anymore. Now, I'm still Kevin, but I'm a different Kevin. I'm a little older, a little wiser, a little more humbled, and honestly, I'm still trying to figure things out. This isn't just a new YouTube channel, it's a new chapter in my life. The name Discovering Life came to me because I realized that none of us really figure life out completely. We're all discovering it. Every success, every mistake, every relationship, every setback, every new beginning. So I figured, why not discover it together? So, what can you expect from this channel? Honestly, life. I think that's the best answer I can give. I'm going to talk about personal growth, relationships, fatherhood, health, fitness, business, technology, current events, and sometimes even politics and religion. I'm going to talk about things I've experienced, things I'm currently experiencing, and things I still don't understand. Because if it's part of life, it's probably something we're going to talk about here. And if there's a topic you'd like for me to cover, tell me in the comments. I'd really like to hear from you. And I also want to make something very clear right from the beginning. You're getting the real Kevin, not a YouTube token, not someone who is polished or some polished version of me that only talks about the wins. You're going to get all of it: the victories, the mistakes, the awkward moments, the lessons, the questions, and probably a few times where I simply don't have the answer. And I understand sometimes some people are going to like that and some probably won't. I may gain some subscribers, I may lose some subscribers. And honestly, I'm okay with that. I'd rather build a community around honesty than pretend to be someone I'm not. Now, some of you probably know that the last year has been one of the biggest years of change in my life. From going through separation to moving out after more than 2 decades of a marriage to finding new love all over again and discovering what that's like. I've had to learn what life looks like starting over. I've had to learn things about myself that I probably should have learned years ago. Some of those lessons have been painful. Some have been incredibly valuable. And over the next few videos here on this channel, I want to discover all of this with you, share with you those stories. Not because I think my story is unique, I don't, but because I think a lot of people are going through similar things and don't always feel comfortable talking about them. And honestly, along the way, and all of that, I met someone. I fell in love again. And unfortunately, life had different plans. Things didn't work out. But that experience changed me in ways that I'm still processing today. But I'm not going to tell you all of that story here in this video. It definitely deserves its own conversation. So we'll talk about that in a future episode. But I've been asking myself some difficult questions. over the last little while. Am I ready to move on and date again? Am I still healing? What do I really want out of life? Those are questions I'm honestly still trying to answer. And I think they'll make for some real interesting conversations as this channel grows. One thing that you're probably going to notice is that I'm going to spend quite a bit of time talking about men and men's mental health and life as a man. Not because I think men have it harder than women. I don't believe life is a competition over who struggles more. I simply think men experience certain pressures that we don't always talk about. The pressure to provide, to always be strong, and to always have the answers, to hide our emotions, to keep moving even when life gets hard. And I want to explore those conversations honestly. And I want women to be a part of those conversations too, because honestly, I think that understanding each other will make us all better. So if there's one thing I hope this channel becomes, it's this. I want it to become a community, not an audience, a community, a place where people feel comfortable sharing their stories, agreeing, disagreeing, learning, growing, supporting each other. And I hope some of these conversations make you think. I hope some challenge you. And I hope some simply remind you that you are not alone. So that's where I am today. Still learning, still growing, still making mistakes, still discovering life. And honestly, I'd love for you to come along for the journey. If you've enjoyed this so far, or if you feel like this is something you resonate with, I'd really appreciate you subscribing. More importantly, leave a comment. Tell me a little about yourself. Tell me what brought you here. Tell me what topics you'd like for us to talk together about, because this isn't just my journey anymore. Hopefully, it's yours. We're all discovering life. I just decided to bring along a camera. So thank you so much for watching. Welcome to Discovering Life with Kevin, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye for now. Hey everyone, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And if you did, hey, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, and make sure you hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. In the meantime, if you're looking for another great video to watch, I'm going to recommend one of these two. They're both very good videos. I think you'll enjoy them. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.